Although this may seem like a repeated message daily, do develop a ritual and habit to read and prepare, especially going through the suggested trading rules daily to ingrain the good habits through repetition. Quick recap.
Please be patient.
Stay focused. 1-3 trades a day, not 3 trades an hour. Let the market present itself. No need to force a trade. The concept of missing a trade does not exist. The market never stops moving and feeding us clues.
Stay focused.
There's always money to be made. You are never missing out. This skill allows you to prepare ahead, so you're always ready for the next setup. If it appears you're ready, if it doesn't, so be it. You are always prepared. That's the power of the skill you're learning.
Stay focused.
Don't get distracted and don't distract. There's always time to review and vent. Take a breather if you need to. We are all here for each other.
Share your trade.
You're never trading alone. We can only come out victorious if we work as a team.
Stay focused.
Stay focused.
Be disciplined. Be victorious in your rules and discipline.
No silly mistakes.
Stay disciplined
And focus. Otherwise, call it an early day if you need to.
No need to force trade.
There's always profits ahead to find.
Stay focused.
Be patient.
Good habits and strong focus. No silly mistakes.
Be patient.
Stay focused.
No trades, no law, no structure, no trade. Be the shopper, not a scavenger. Only takes trades that you like and can see good.
You are the shopper.
You are in control.
Stay in control.
Shop only what you like. Don't be looking for scrapes and give yourself unnecessary stress. Let the market present itself to you where it wants to go. No need to rush and force trades first thing in the morning. Today, you're gonna be profitable because
We're finding profits in the chart.
and not worrying about where the chart is going.
Where it goes is immaterial.
It doesn't matter to you.
You are concerned with the profits in the charts.
And that entails with just finding 3 good trades a day. That's on average 2 hours per trade. Are you waiting long enough to prepare?
Be patient.
And stay focused. The more you trade, the more you will lose. That's just how trading works. You have lost by default as you enter a trade.
That's the idea of a stop loss and commissions paid.
Your mind will play tricks on you
Telling you that you missed the trade.
when the concept does not exist.
The market is always feeding us clues.
It's for the next trade.
And the market is opened every day for the rest of your life.
One mistrade. Or your mind will tell you that you're not good enough because you missed something.
And coping mechanisms to compensate for your insecurities and greed and fear will kick in and affect your decision making.
This is why we must rigorously practice and develop rules.
You will not rise to the occasion.
You will fall back to the level of your training.
And this is the best way to cope with negative,
Even supposedly positive
cockiness,
emotions
or just emotions.
in general.